What's up, guys? Check out this NFC ring. This this ring does not require any kind of charging or anything, but it is still smart. If you can see, there is a NFC written here. This, the way it works is that it contains multiple NFC tags, and you can store your phone number, your social media handles inside it, depending on the storage available in the ring. Different rings have different storage available. Like this one has 137 bytes of storage. Other rings, because it was really cheap, other rings may have many more. And you may be wondering, okay, now how is it useful to have this NFC ring? For example, you have it and you come across a friend in and he wants to know your phone number, right? So how about if you just touch it and you find the right point? You touch the phone and there you go. This is a dummy phone number that I have added. This is my Instagram account, and we have this uh, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and this is phone number. These are actions automatically handled by my mobile phone. It is just one number. It is the mobile phone is saying that it can handle it in three different ways. So let me repeat it again. You just have to find the right place. Usually, if phones have in the back, iPhone has on the top. These Android phones have somewhere around this area. They have NFC tags. So if you all you have to do is bring it closer, and that's it. This one, this they have this diamond style bead or stone. You have to keep it on the top. It comes in different sizes, and once you have it top, then the NFC tag will be right below. So you bring it closer and find the, usually it's very easy. I don't know why my phone has it in a weird place. And bring it closer and swipe it and it brings alive. See, tap it and you have the information. Now you may be wondering, okay, how do I update it? The updation part is very simple. You have the NFC tools application right here, NFC tools, and you can go there and you have multiple options: read, write, other tasks. So for example, if I am to read it, if I place it here, NFC tag detected, it will tell me the information that is already on my tag, like how, what type, is it writable or not. You can also add actually passwords to this ring if you only want certain people to access it, and it says that these are the records available here, can be made read only on. So you can also lock it to make it only read only, so that no the other peoples cannot write it. So there are different functionality. This is the size. I have 137 bytes available. If I go to the right and options, I want to write the records. Let's see if I want, for example, clear all the existing records. Let me do that. Clear, add a record, and if I go there, you can see that inside add record I have multiple options. I can add simple text, a video, link, file, application. Like when you bring this NFC closer, an application will be launched. You can add an email, you can add a contact, your phone number, an SMS to be sent. When you tap it, a location to be shared. I mean, address, if you want to share your address with anyone. There is a bunch of Bitcoin address, even Wi-Fi. For example, someone comes into your home, all he has to do is just tap the ring and his mobile phone will automatically connect. A bunch of things are here, and let's see, what do we add here? Let me add something. If I go to social media, we have Facebook, Flickr, GitHub, we have Instagram, Line, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever you want to add. We have Snapchat, Telegram, TikTok, Tumblr, Twitch, X, multiple. If we come back, let's add a text, just the text, and say hello, I am I am Ramesh. Okay. Oh, what's going on? All right, this is a record. I want to write it. It will ask me to approach the NFC tag, and write is complete. Now if I go back and tap it, just that text there, hello, I'm Ramesh. You can add any text here if you would like. Next, if I go there and I say I also want to add my phone number to be shared, I can simply go and say add record and go to the phone number part. Okay, and just type my number. I can also select from the contacts, but I'm just going to type random number 113334. Okay, this is this random number. Now I say right. See, it also gives you how many bytes you are using. So I'm using 13 bytes for this record and 25 bytes for this record, and I still have 137 bytes. So 99 bytes are still available on my ring even after I write these. So let's press right and tap it, find the right place. There you go. And go back, tap it, and you can see hello, I'm Ramesh, the first record. The second record is the phone number. Isn't it cool? So this is an NFC ring. It can contains multiple records. It comes in different variations with different storages. Even some rings that are expensive. This one is actually really cheap. And then there are rings that have many GBs of space in them as well. I have seen from Xiaomi and others, and you can even store files in them. So bunch of stuff here. I really like the idea, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.